Draw with me the inner ear. Today, we're going to talk about the inner ear, which is made up of tiny complex structures located inside the temporal bone. All the cavities that make up the inner ear together are known as the labyrinth. Let's start with the cochlea. The cochlea looks like a hollow tube that's tightly coiled around the central solid core. Inside the bony cochlea, we find the cochlear duct, which houses the spiral organ, the organ of corti. This is the actual sensory organ of hearing. Surrounding the cochlear duct is a space called the scala tympani, which plays a role in sound wave transmission. The membranous cochlea, which are the soft inner structures, is what makes up the auditory system of the inner ear. In the vestibular part of the inner ear, we find the semicircular canals, as well as two small sacs called the utricle and the saccule. The semicircular canals are hollow, curved tubes shaped like horseshoes. All three canals are connected to the vestibule, and each one is oriented in a different plane. The lateral or horizontal canal lies in the horizontal plane, the posterior canal is in the sagittal plane, and the anterior canal is positioned in the frontal plane. These cavities are filled with a fluid called perilymph. Floating inside this fluid is the membranous labyrinth, which is filled with a different fluid called the endolymph. The saccule, like the rest of the membranous labyrinth, is filled with endolymph. It's connected to the rest of the inner ear by the endolymphatic duct, which expands at its end to form the endolymphatic sac. This whole system is not only involved in hearing, but it is also our main organ of balance.